Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm proud to present you this 2010 Citroen C-Crosser, and this is going to be full in-depth of the C-Crosser. We'll start up, show the engine, go on some performance details, show you a bunch of interesting features in the exterior as well as the interior. And so, here's the key. Flip key. Lock, unlock. Let's start the engine, let it run for a while. And also this car comes equipped with the aftermarket alarm with remote start. Very convenient thing, especially in winter time. Black metallic exterior. Very light doors, very wide opening. It's almost like 90-degree, providing easy entry and exit. Cloth inserts, leather. This car has 8 airbags. Very nice. Beautiful startup, and this particular has 61,149 kilometers in it. 3-spoke design, full leather wrap, multifunctional steering wheel, multifunction controls, side to side. Comes equipped with hydraulic assist power steering, kicking in, very fluid. Manual tilt only to adjust. Use this lever right there. Very convenient. And this car has automatic lights and automatic rain sensing windshield wipers. Right now it's in the headlight, front rear fog lights, high beam, as well as hazard lights. All 4 windows in this car are fully automatic in both directions, up and down. Very nice. And rear. As you can see, back windows are fully tinted, and right now let's open the hood and take a good look at the exterior of this car. Roof rails. And your compass. And here's your antenna for the audio system. Backlight spoiler with third brake light, rear depressing glass, rear wiper, LED tail lights, beautiful tail lights, license plate lights, rear fog lights, rear parking assist, and your spare tire located underneath. single exhaust. Seven spoke, 16-inch alloy wheels, Michelin tires measuring 215/70. Beautiful factory wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Beautiful paint finish, terrace gears on front fenders, heated windshield wipers this area. Huge halogen projector headlamps. Halogen fog lights, chrome accent, headlight washers, huge Citroen emblem,
This car has inline 4, 16 valve, dual head cam, 2.4 liter, normal aspirated engine, produces 170 horsepower, maximum speed of 200 km/h, 0 to 60 time is 10.4 seconds. Combined fuel consumption for this car is around 8.5 liter per 100 km. Car is 4-wheel drive.
Beautiful body lines, very elegant, huge mirrors by the way. And right now guys, we'll take a good look at the exterior. Let's take a good look at the interior portion, the most interesting part. Two-tone door panels, leather wrap, and also white stitching, chrome door handle, your power mirrors, they're also heated and power folding, huge mirrors by the way, and power folding. Power window lock, and of course your central lock, rest of your power windows. Storage and bottle holder, and of course your speakers. Tire pressure. Driver seat has manual adjustment, standard seat height, recline and sliding down there. Seats are extremely comfortable, very supportive as you can see. Adjustable headrests and seat belts. C-crosser floor mats, and of course your fuel tank release, storage for the driver, cup holder. This knob right here adjusts high headlights and turn off the traction control. And right now guys, let's see what kind of noise this engine produces. Very easy to read gauges, quite nice. Very nice sound. Panel them right here. Line indicator controls. Here's your intimate weather controls right here, and of course your headlight washers right there, and your driver information system right here. Let's set temperature, trip A, trip B, service, distance to empty, basically range, and average fuel economy, current fuel economy, average speed, as you can see, language, and of course your audio controls. On the steering wheel you can raise and lower the volume, select between different modes, and select between different track, or select between different station. Quite nice. And of course your cruise control settings right here. Overall build quality and all the materials are pretty good. You can find two-tone plastic and also soft leather. Everything is padded, and right there, very nice. Audio with 8 speakers, 2 tweeters, CD, MP3 compatible. Yeah. Digital clock, has 6 customizable stations, different settings right here for the clock, tuning, sound adjustments, seek or select between different track, AM, FM, MP3 compatible like I mentioned before, and CD. You can raise and lower the volume, quite nice. And of course you can adjust equalizer settings, and bass, treble, beta, balance. For the factory audio sounds pretty good, and of course your passenger airbag off indicator, and of course down here you can find your single zone fully automatic climate control, recycle settings, and of course your temperature, fan speed control, and air conditioning. One touch automatic, quite easy. And of course your different modes, facing, etc. Automatic mode, front rear defrost, quite nice. Down here you can find your storage for small items, cup holder, plus and minus, and of course your paddle shifters, minus right here for the downshift, and plus for the upshift. Quite nice. Rear parking assist, 4-wheel drive settings, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and locking. Very nice. Very light e-brake, 2 cup holders, very soft armrest, 2-tier, 12-volt part LED with side storage, sun visors, vanity mirror, no illumination, card holder, grip handle, quite nice. And of course your sunglass container is also added, dual map lights, and your warning basically. Overall, good visibility. Let's grab the key and continue restore. And here's your fuel cap holder. Also very wide opening rear doors. Child safety locks right here. Same two-tone door panels. Bottle holder. Back seats also very roomy. Adjustable headrests. Also back seats has ISOFIX system. Sliding, quite easy, and of course recline right there, quite easy to adjust. Storage pockets, and there is now central tunnel, very nice, and your armrest, 2 cup holders, and of course your illumination. And my 6'3" stature. Those seats are quite nice. Legroom is not an issue at all, and my headroom is more than enough for me. And of course your cot hook. Beautiful interior in my opinion. Trunk space in this car is pretty good. Color. Storage. Very good size trunk, partlet, and of course your illumination. Very convenient handle right here. And basically to fold down your seats, pull this lever. Very easy operation. And you can find same manual adjustment for the passenger seat, except seat height. storage compartment, also cooled via air conditioning. Leather wrap, soft, and lockable glove compartment. Average size, and here's your manuals. Well guys, hope you enjoy my in-depth look at this 2010 Citroen C-Crosser. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, be sure to catch me next time, this is where it came from. Thanks for watching and take care guys.